China, clear for takeoff at Bravo 2.
Clear for takeoff, 977 Papa Alpha. 4 Golf Alpha. Airspeed alive, engine is green. Yeah.
That was a quick takeoff.
Say it again?
That was a quick ascent.
Yeah. Got a lot of power.
Beeline 1 Charlie Papa Heavy, turn left heading 270. Left heading 270, Beeline 1 Charlie Papa Heavy.
Oh yeah. Very easy. 1, 2, pressure check. Cold flaps will close those. Alright, landing lights. We'll just leave the landing line on for now. Now listen to the wind direction again. Okay.
Density altitude
230 at 900. So we'll get 24.
Suffolk County Airport, West Hampton Beach, New York.
Power is required. Mixture gonna enrich. Fuel selector on both. You can see the setup. Yeah, putting it in now. The left downwind, right? Yep, 2-4. The one that's coming straight out at us, runway. Okay. No traffic. Bring the power out. Yep, coming up.
Dutchess 977 Papa Alpha, the wind is 230 at Nunner. Justin to 18, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 at 977 Papa Alpha. How would I look? Perfect. Went back to full. Bad habit. Just hold your altitude. Oh. Getting blown off. Yeah. Gusting. Yep. Alright. It went to full. I'll just leave it. Actually, it's there. Okay. Below blue line. Blue line, right. Yep. Going on approach. Turning. Final. Right. Hit gas. Carriage. Tops full forward. Full forward. On glide slope. And full flaps. Flats. Airplane when you want it. Okay, my airplane. Airplane. I got it. Airplane, yeah. Just double check the gear is down in that. Okay, gear down and locked. Perfect. Three rights. On white. Check. Blue line. Check. Alright, crossed. Nice landing. Thank you. That's coming up. Check.
Seven Papa Alpha, what's your destination? You just want to taxi or depart back out again?
I'll make you a full stop, 7 Papa Alpha.
Okay, where are you going to be parking?
At terminal, 975 Papa Alpha.
Alright, continue up the runway, Dutchess 7 Papa Alpha. It'll be a right turn on taxiway Charlie.
Continue to Charlie, right turn, 977 Papa Alpha.
Tower, Charlie 3-1, clear to the north.
Charlie 3-1, roger.
Did I say Cessna or Duchess? Duchess.